guys, it's Aiden, and if you like the song from the intro, that's my new single coming out called Limitless, and I'll leave a link to it up there if you want to check it out. So Billie Eilish just made a song called Everything I Wanted, and I want to go through this song with you today, but I'll leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out as well. So first off, we have the piano. Okay, so you'll see that there are 4 channels for this piano. These first 2 are the high melody. And that was created using an electric piano and REFX Nexus. I used the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft, and I turned off the reverb and I brought the attack up to 17. So I'm not going to go through the filters in this video. If you want to check those out, that'll be in the FLP. Otherwise, this video is going to take like 30 minutes. So next up, we have the bass chords. And that was created using the same electric piano and the PD chill pad in Nexus. So this is the whistle sound. And it plays at the beginning of the song and right at the end of the song, but I'll show you that later. And this is what the pattern it follows, and then it changes up a little bit, goes to this pattern, and then it goes back to the initial pattern. So this is the kick. And I put a low pass filter on it, and then this percussion pattern is introduced. And that was created using 2 claps and a percussion sound. And that hits at the same time as this piano. So it sounds like this. And then later on in the song, this high-pitched piano comes in. And you can hear this sort of clicking sound as the piano hits. And I just created that using this percussion sound. And then everything goes away apart from the initial piano and the kick. And this introduces the chorus. So the chorus adds this new sound to it. And I found that on Nexus. It's called the VO Voicey Flutes, and you can find that in the voice category. After the chorus, this bass pattern is introduced. Then the pianos come back in, as well as the kick and the percussion. After that, everything goes away apart from the piano. And then the chorus comes back, and this time it's playing with the bass. This plays for 16 bars, and then the voice flute is switched out with the high piano. And then it switches back again. So as the song's fading out, the bass, the kick, and the percussion are playing, as well as this new whistle sound. Alright, so that's it for the instrumentals. I'll play you a clip from the song now. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to make in the comments below, and I'll see you later.